They can't for destiny. And they throw money, oh, every year don't cast for BENIN. Yeah, so more than they pick. That's so, not for direct. I want to go precise. Not for direct, oh, Yahoo boy, they throw money, oh. Don't carry your head this time.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's your girl Kamis. So you guys, you've seen it for yourself. I just came across this video and I was like, what is going on here? So they actually came out in a car or some cars, as you have seen, and started spraying money all over, and people are there picking the money. My problem is not even the people picking the money. It's just the people spraying the money. As you all know that people are going through hard times at this time. This pandemic has hit a lot of people, and some people are just recovering, and some people have not even started to recover. And then you go out, you start spraying money. So this life is very interesting, guys. Some people are looking for money, but others don't even know how to spend the money, and the only thing that they can do is to take the money and spray it all over the street. And I don't know what goes on in their mind. Is it that they are so happy seeing people picking the money from the ground? Like, if you want to help people, why don't you give them the money if you really want to give the money? Is this a kind of show off, or what is even going on here? Anyway, according to what I'm hearing from the background, people are saying that these are 419 who are spraying money. And according to what that lady said, that they are trying to take people's destiny. I don't even know if that is true. But what is disturbing here is that they are actually spraying money that people are looking for. People are very hungry. People are desperate right now. And if you want to help people, why don't you give them the money? Anyway, guys, I don't know what you think about the whole situation, but I think it's very annoying. Like, seriously, who does that? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I see you in my next one. Bye bye.